guys, coming to you from freezing Minnesota on a nice wintry day here. I wanted to just kind of pick your brain and talk to you a little bit about DNA nutrition. Um, it wasn't long ago, a few months ago, that I was at just Sam's Club thinking to myself, go down the bulk aisle, the huge buckets of every vitamin you can think of. And I just thought to myself, this isn't how it's supposed to be. I mean, not everybody's made the same, so why are we just buying these bulk vitamins off the shelf with not knowing if it really is for us? And the more I got into research, the more I realized that DNA nutrition has been kind of in the background for a few months, few years, and it's really coming around. And this is where we're finally being able to see it. There's companies coming out now, lots of DNA companies telling you your heritage, different genes, things that you might be dispositioned to, diseases, things like that. And that is great, but also what's coming out, and I think is even more beneficial, is when people are able to find their DNA and then do something about it. Like actually take nutritional supplements that are going to fix or help your DNA. We know that what we put in our body is really important, and what we eat is really important, and it's going to help us in the long run. So why are we just buying bulk vitamins or nutritional supplements off of the Target shelf or the Sam's Club shelf, when really we should be buying stuff that's specifically made for each and every one of us? So I have done a lot of research into it. I have actually physically done the DNA test myself, got back my genetic dispositions that are actually not functioning correctly, things that I'm more disposed to. And with that, I also have been learning about what I can do about it. What can I do if my DNA gene IL-6 is not working, which is a detoxing gene? What if it's not working? What if there's a genetic disposition I got from my parents that is allowing it not to function correctly, so I won't be detoxing correctly? So those are the things that I want to know so I can do something about it. I just don't want to know what my genetic disposition is and say, here it is, and there's no actual action I can take. So there's lots of companies out there. They're coming more and more, which is amazing, because I think it really does kind of dig down into natural health, holistic health, along with just regular everyday nutrition that we all need to have according to our own DNA, instead of the bulk vitamins on the shelf. So if you're interested in learning about what I did and what I'm doing right now for nutritional wise, and how I'm actually physically helping my genetic dispositions that I've inherited, I would love to have a chit chat, a talk. Drop me a comment in the comment box, and I'll also post a link there on the products that I'm using. So I hope that was informational. Kind of get to thinking a little bit about more of what we can do more to help, and not just buy the bulk stuff off the shelf, because really we're in a time and age where we have so much more information than we did back then. Why not use your own personal DNA to get your own personal nutrition? So it's phenomenal. I think everybody needs it, at least to look into it. So have a nice day.